Assalamu alaikum students. In my previous lectures on parts of speech I explained almost all types of verbs, but today I am going to tell you about finite and non-finite verbs in detail. So let's see what are finite and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs have subject and show tense. Every sentence needs finite verbs. For example, he is writing, he is playing, he is going. In these examples, writing, playing, going are finite verbs because these are showing the continuity of a tense. Now, what are non-finite verbs? Non-finite verbs are verbs that don't describe a verb, not showing tense, or verbs which are not acting like a verb. Non-finite verbs actually are verbs, but they are called non-finite verbs because they don't show. There are three types of non-finite verbs. Number one, gerunds. Number two, participle, and number three, infinitives. So first of all, I will tell you about gerunds. Gerund is the form of the verb which ends in ing and has a function of a noun. For example, painting, writing. Now let's see some examples of gerund. Swimming in the ocean has his passion since she was 5 years old. Our music teacher taught us singing. Apologizing to me is not enough this time. She is afraid of flying. They are capable of doing hard work. So in all these examples you can see swimming, singing, apologizing, flying and doing are functioning as a gerund because all these words are used as a noun and not as a verb. In the first example, swimming is used as a subject, and in the second example, our music teacher taught us singing is used as a object. Similarly, in this example, apologizing to me is also used as a subject, and in this example, she is afraid of flying. Flying is used as an object. Now I will tell you the types of gerunds. There are 6 types of gerunds, or you can say that gerund can be used as a subject complement, as a direct object, as an indirect object, as an object complement, and at 6th place, object of a preposition. Let's see how it is used as a subject. Let's see at this example. Painting is my newest hobby. Here in this sentence you can see that painting is used as a subject. Here in this sentence, painting is the subject of this sentence, so here painting is used as a gerund. Now how it is used as a subject complement? Let's see this example. My preferred hobby is painting. Now you can see that here painting is modifying the subject of this sentence, that is my preferred hobby. Now let's see how it is used as a direct object. I love painting. Here in this sentence you can see that painting is used as a direct object of this sentence. Now indirect object, how it is used as an indirect object? Look at this sentence. My sister helped me in learning painting. Now in this sentence painting is used as a as an indirect object because the direct object in this sentence is me. So painting is an indirect object. So here in this sentence painting is used as an indirect object. Now gerund can also be used as an object complement. Look at this example, I do painting every day. Now here in this sentence, painting is complementing or modifying its object. Now gerund can also be used as an object of a preposition. For example, I spend a few hours daily for painting. Now here in this example you can see that the object of this sentence is painting, and it comes here along with the preposition, so it is called object of a preposition. So here painting as a gerund has been used as an object of a preposition. The second type of non-finite verb is called participle. Participle is a verb form used as an adjective to modify a noun and pronoun. There are two types of participle: present participle and past participle. Now let's see what is present participle. Firstly, the present participle is used in the continuous tenses describing an action that is currently taking place, and all present participles end in ing. For example, is running, are playing. Here in these example, present participle has been used as a verb, and it can be used as a verb in all continuous tenses like past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect continuous as well. Secondly, it is used as an adjective modifying its noun. Here in these example you can see the laughing lady. Here laughing is modifying its noun, and the falling temperature, falling is modifying its noun temperature. Look at these examples. The singing bird is outside my window. Here the singing bird is used as a present participle as an adjective. Nobody likes a crying baby. Here crying is also modifying its noun baby, so here in this sentence it is also used as a present participle. The simple way to identify present participle, how it is used in a tense, or either it is used as an adjective, is that when present participle is followed by a noun, it will be taken as an adjective, and when helping verb is followed by present participle, it will be used as a tense. Now let's discuss what is past participle. The past participle is used in the perfect tenses or as an adjective describing an action that has already been completed. All regular verbs end in ed. For example, tired, injured. Look at these examples: tired dancer, the injured player. So what is the difference in both these examples? Here you can see it is used as a tense, but in these examples you can see that past participles are modifying its nouns. Here in this example, tired is modifying its noun dancer, and the injured player, here in this example, injured is modifying its noun player. How it is used in the sentence: look at these examples. I have completed my assignments already. Here you can see that past participle has been used as a tense because it is used with helping verb. Now look at the second examples. I have turned in my completed assignments. Here you can see past participle is followed by a noun, that is assignments, and thus in this way it is modifying its noun, completed assignments. Now the third type of non-finite verb is called infinitives. The basic form of a verb is known as the infinitive. It is often preceded by the word to. Look at these examples: to love, to eat, to run, to believe, to follow, to laugh, to stare, to wonder. In all these examples you can see that these verbs are preceded by the word to. Look at these examples how infinitive is used in the sentence. He decided to follow him. He began to run back. And another thing about infinitive is that when we place to with before the verb or before any verb in order to make it infinitive, it is also used in the first form. Here you can see that follow and run are although the verbs, but these verbs are used in their first form. Now let's see how infinitive is used. The infinitive has many functions. It can be used as a noun, and it can also be used as a subject as well. Infinitive can be used as a direct object of a sentence. It is also used as a subject complement, which provides information about the subject following a linking verb, such as in the predicate of a sentence. Now let's discuss this function of infinitive with some examples. How it is used as a subject. Look at this sentence: to dream requires incredible courage. Here you can see to dream. To is used with the verb dream, and it is acting as a subject of this sentence. How it is used as a direct object. Look at this sentence: he wanted to cry. Here to cry is the infinitive of this sentence, and it is used as an object. Now look at this example how infinitive is used as a subject complement. Our aim is to improve. Here to improve is acting as a subject complement of this sentence. There are some infinitives that are called bare infinitives, and these infinitives are used with certain verbs and the word to is dropped from an infinitive. We use these infinitives after many verbs of perceptions, like the verbs used to perceive. For example, look at these examples. See. Here you can see the word see. I didn't see you work or working. Hear. Harry can hear me speak or speaking. Notice. I noticed you quarrel a fair bit. Feel. I felt you check or checking my ears. So all these examples show that here some verbs that are see, hear, notice and feel are used as bare infinitives because these verbs are not preceded by to. That's why these are called bare infinitives. So today I discussed about finite and non-finite verbs. I hope you might have clear idea about these types of verbs. Thank you.